welcome. We've got a brilliant, low impact, 10-minute balance session for you today. We're going to build incredible core stability and balance so that we can move through our day with ease and strength. So I'm in this beautiful spot in Helsinki. Let's build some amazing balance. I'm going barefoot, build wonderful strength in muscles we don't normally use when our feet are encased in shoes. It's particularly great. Just a little adjustment here. Oh, there we go. So just bending down with one leg and reach down. Do your very best. Nice and easy, slow today. Functional fitness. Movement that matters. Dogs barking. Whoa. Pay attention. Here we go. Look at that. When you bring presence into it, how much more successful we can be. Real slow and easy. Embracing the cold. Ooh. One more like that. We'll come back to that. We'll see how much more effective we are after training for a bit. So I'm going to start. So I'm coming up on my leg and I'm tapping out, but I'm really just a tiny tap here and here. So my foot is staying mostly off the ground. Enjoy the sounds of the environment. Bring all your presence, everything, and connect to this moment. Let's start seeing everything as an opportunity for a little bit of movement. Oh, I'm outdoors. What kind of movement can I do? Other side. Make an opportunity just to practice one balancing exercise. What if I did one balancing exercise every day for the next year? How much better is my balance going to be? Dramatically, of course. Just, yes, a nice little tap out. Okay. Real controlled march. Head up, chest up, real integrity. And we're just going to hold the high march for an extra moment as we build incredible core stability. So engage your core with each movement. Whoa. If you fall, have a laugh and just keep coming back. I'm going to be real mindful with my upper body also. Swing the arms with intention. See what happens when you bring real intention in each movement. Whoa, well, it doesn't work every time. There we go. You know what happened is I started to listen to the geese. It took my mind off where my focus was, and I lost my balance. So much we want to do. Attention wavers, we just bring it back. My mind wanders. Whoa, no, I bring it back to where I want to be. My attention is solely here, balancing my body. One more. Brilliant. Let's just a little bit of a controlled march. Again, really swing those arms with purpose. Let's just get the heart rate up a bit. I need to increase the temperature of my body. It's probably 5 degrees outside right now. So what, around 40-ish Fahrenheit? Maybe not that cold. I didn't look. That's about that. Yeah. March with intention. We're doing balancing exercises so that when we go for a walk, we can walk better. It's more enjoyable. We get more pleasure out of it. Remember, There's no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. Going for that evening walk. Walking is balance. Every step we take, we do it intentionally, we're more effective. Okay, shake it out. But just hold for a moment. Come into this tree posture. Actually, so we're going to keep as a toe on the ground, but I want to open up my chest as well. So you can do it. If great, if you can hold it, but I want to move the upper body as well. We open up the chest, we're building mobility in the upper back. These are the best exercises for me right now. It feels the best. Oh, but if you just keep a toe touching, so you're still working on balance, but we're opening up the upper body too. Or maybe you just want to be here in tree posture. That's fine. Happy days. One more and I'm going to switch sides. Maybe that was two. Who knows? Who's counting? I'm bringing it all the way up. I'm going to get my balance. So I like doing this on uneven surfaces too. Every time you walk in the forest, you're developing core stability, balance. It's so great. We don't want to just be on the sidewalks all the time. At our homes, which are just perfectly flat. We want uneven surfaces. And when you see a log, hey, I'm going to go climb on that log. Everything is an opportunity. We start seeing things different. That beautiful log, look at that. That's a great place for me to practice balance. Climbing over rocks and stumps. Seeing the world with awe. Endorphins engaged. Yes. A couple more. Whoa. Okay, maybe I can got it. Yes. Yes. Shake it out. Shake it out. Let's come back. Let's see where we're at. So we built. So really now, engage the core, full focus, full attention. And rather than reaching down with both hands, I'm just going to go with one hand. You bring that back leg back as much as you want. Maybe it just comes to here. Maybe here. You can point that toe down. We can get into real proper posture. And that's great. There's great yoga videos of people like getting real specific about your movements. And sure, that's good too. For me, I just want to move more. I'm not concerned with how. Just let's find ways to move that are enjoyable, that help us to move through our day with readiness. I can handle some stairs. I can carry my groceries. I have good balance. But maybe it's like, oh yeah, I'm going to point my fingers perfectly. Point those toes to the ground. Kick that leg back. Yes. You just do you. Find a flow. And let's go with this for a moment or two. Do engage your core though. Ooh. Okay. Balance, baby. Whoa. Okay. Tension. Bring your tension. Couple more to finish off for today's session. The best balance moves you've done all day, right now. Hold it for an extra moment. One more. Shake it out. Not bad, not bad. Mountain pose. Let's just be for a moment. Just notice the sounds in the environment. And every time your mind wanders off, gently guide it back. Shake it. Well done today. Thank you for showing up. Please comment, job done. Life is beautiful. There is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way, something that inspires others to move. Let's continue to grow this community. Every like, Every share of the video does help push this video to more people like you so we can grow this amazing community. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.